Traders are like magicians. They've got the ultimate freedom to move around and they are not tied down to any employer. They're not stuck in stuffy offices or sweating it out on construction sites. Traders work just a couple of hours a day from cozy cafes, travel wherever and whenever they want, live in high-end neighborhoods and drive around in sports cars. But is it really like that? And how do they manage it? Are they just super smart? Today we're gonna talk about how a beginner can become a professional trader without a master's degree in finance or a PhD in math or even a big pile of starting cash. Hey folks, Simon here, a seasoned trader who's been in trading for over 7 years. My win rate is 88.7% and by 28 I've already hit millionaire status. But it wasn't always like this. I grew up on the outskirts of town. My parents worked their tails off but barely made ends meet. We lived our lives running from one loan to another. Now I bought my parents a country house with a pool and snagged a luxury apartment for myself. And I drive a Lamborghini. I'm not telling you this to brag or to spark your jealousy. I'm sharing my story to show you that anything's possible. For those of you who really want to get into trading but don't know where to start, I've created a Telegram channel where I break down complex stuff into simple, clear language. Straight to the point, no fluff. And to make sure every subscriber enjoys trading, I post trading signals every day. All you need to do is copy my moves and you can achieve the same results as me. And the best part, you can start trading with any amount, absolutely any. My followers are pulling in an average of 785 per session. Wanna join us? Don't waste another minute. Subscribe. The link to the channel is in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. Let's get started. First up, I'll show you how to set up the trading platform. Today we're starting off with 50 and we'll be trading with a 1 minute time frame. Selecting 30-second candles. Nice. Now we need to add a few currency pairs. Always pick pairs with the highest percentages. We're selecting the top 3 pairs. I'll also add stocks from market giants like Apple and American Express to diversify our trading options. We choose these not by name but by percentage. Today I'm using the Arun and ADX indicator. They are reliable and handy pair with a broad set of indicators and signals, perfect for making accurate decisions. Now let's customize the settings. I set Arun's period to 27 as I found values between 26 and 30 optimal. I rarely use other settings, but I know many traders like to experiment with the settings. However, I prefer to stick with what I've tested. It's just more reliable. Here I'd also change the color to make the lines more contrasting. Even such small details matter to professionals when making quick decisions. Okay, save that. Next up, ADX. It has great standard settings, but let's also make the indicator line a bit thicker and brighter. If you have questions, and beginners always have questions, don't hesitate to write to me on my Telegram channel and I'll help you figure out all the nuances. I was a beginner once too, so I totally get it. Just click the link in the description. Alright, now the chart looks very user-friendly, all indicator lines are clearly visible and set for the most reliable signals. Let's take another look for more reliable starting points for trading. No, the Apple chart is not quite reliable enough to start with. Let's start with American Express stocks. Let's see. Here I anticipate the formation of a local maximum and reversal of the chart. After entering at the peak, there will be a price drop. Press lower. Oh, watch this. Yes, there's the first 96. Nice result. I'm in the green. You see the price moved in the direction I needed, so that was a really good trade. I'm trading on a short time frame and want to use that. I'm keeping American Express stocks open. There's just been a clear downward movement and I want to increase my deposit using this drop. Lower again. Excellent. Yes, great timing. I identified the trend and ended up in the green. Let's stay focused. I've learned everything I know about trading on my own. Both my experience and the experiences of my students and followers show that regular practice can turn any beginner into an expert. But for those who don't want to wait around and want to see results in the next few days, I run open trading sessions. All you have to do is trade with me, follow my signals to pull in results just like mine. Already 13,000 subscribers are doing it. It's an insane opportunity and it's completely free. You've probably already clicked the link and checked it out. If not, the link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Alright, let's look at Apple stocks. I'm investing 184 here. With my experience, I understand that this is an investment at the beginning of an upward trend, right after trend reversal. Going higher. Yes, wow, I'm nailing it. Great rhythm, let's continue. Let's see what's happening with the Australian dollar and the US dollar. Wow, there's an interesting situation with this currency pair. The market gave a clear glitch, and now, due to slight consolidation, which we understand from the small size of the candles, we conclude that the candle simply cannot go up. Going lower. I'm 678 up, and all thanks to my ability to accurately analyze a very complex situation. My Telegram followers know that any market situation requires very clear and calculated analysis, and I'm an expert at this. Want to learn how? Well, you know what to do. I'm moving on to the next currency pair, and here's a really complex situation, but the key is to break it down correctly. The market hit a new high 5 minutes ago and then started to decline. Bulls tried to stop it, and here a few short green candles formed as a result of a brief impulse, but it's already decided the price will continue to fall. We follow the trend and invest downwards, lower. Super glad I made the right call in a pretty tricky moment. Our deposit is 1,302. The market here has clearly shifted to a price drop. The bears are super strong. I want to keep investing downwards, lower. Boom, awesome. Trading based on the chart rather than sticking to some generic strategy works way better. Super. If you're a beginner, trading without a reliable mentor means you're pretty much guaranteed to lose savings. You definitely need some help getting started. On my channel, there's a ton of advice, especially for beginners. How to set up the platform, how to pick entry points, and how to know when to end the session. And to keep things interesting, remember, you can join and trade alone with us. Just yesterday, my subscribers and I made over 406,000. Want to join? Click the link in the description. Alright, let's keep it rolling. Australia and Canada. Invest in a grand here. We see that after a rebound from the resistance level, the market trend is heading down. We go lower. Waiting. Yes, there it is. Awesome. Even on a short time frame, I can accurately predict market behavior again. Let's see what's happening with the American Express stocks. Here I'll be investing downwards too, as the bears dominate almost all our assets right now. Going lower. Just a bit more. Got it. Just got the trend, adding another 1,920 to my account. Aha, Apple stocks are giving me gifts. The chart shows a repeating pattern, investing downwards again because there's a channel movement with an upward trend on this currency pair. But to replicate the pattern at this entry point, we need to invest lower. Come on, yes! Thank you, Apple. The final trade on the Australia and US pair. Time for some serious reflection. I don't want to risk losing focus. In this case, the selected currency pair stands out. There's a clearly stable consolidation and short candles over quite a long period, which indicates an upcoming price increase. Going higher. Boom, I've nearly made 6,000. Yes, I've proven that with the right choice of indicators and very smart chart analysis, a professional trader can quickly make several thousand a day. And if you are not a professional trader and don't have 7 years of trading experience like me, don't worry, you've got something even better. It's my Telegram channel where I post trading signals every day for free. My subscribers just copy my moves and get great results. See for yourself.
I'm very happy to have this opportunity to work with Simon. I just want to recommend him to everybody who is driven to be financially free. Just stay positive, do as he says, follow the rules, follow the principles, and eventually you're going to be able to make some profits.
Thank you, Simon. It's really helpful. There are a lot of people trading signals for $100 and he make it for nothing.
Just recently, a subscriber sent me an insane review. The guy bought himself a car a month after joining my channel. Want the same? Then subscribe to my Telegram channel and send me a direct message. It's totally free. I get my cash through trading, not by charging the folks I help. So good luck with your trades. See ya.